So my name is Quan. I had H&A My Design come in here and do the renovation on our kitchen. We had a flood that happened and it was horrible. We went through different contractors to interview who we should choose. We did independent contractors for different jobs, and we felt like this isn't a task that we can take on as a homeowner. So we interviewed Golan. He came over and met with us, very professional. We felt like he was the right person to work with based on our taste and our style and what he's done before in the past. I knew that his company could handle the tasks that we were looking for, and it turned out awesome. You know, obviously the photos are here, you can see the video. It's amazing. So we love it, and you know, this was definitely an outcome that we wanted. I mean, everything that was done very professional. I was in contact with Golan all the time, Ronan all the time. I knew what contractors are coming in at what time and what date. So it was amazing. I was never left in the dark. There was a couple of issues that we had during the construction, and it was solved instantly. I called Ronan, perfect, they solved it, and I was never disappointed. Everything turned out perfectly, and I couldn't be happier with my kitchen. So we're gonna be doing a couple more renovations to the house, as the house is about 15 years old now. And we'll definitely have Golan come out and do the other projects for us, as I know him and his crew are phenomenal.